Hey there, my name is Kelly Dale with offthebeadedpath beadstore.com. Thanks so much for joining me today for week 4 of our summer bead along of the Kaleidocycle. So if you have no idea what I'm talking about and this is the first video you've caught, again, this is week 4 of a project we have been working on. If you'll look below in the information description box right below this video, you'll see it says the title and then it'll say more. Just click on that more and it will drop down a little box and it will give you direct links to weeks 1, 2, and 3 of our videos, weeks 1, 2, and 3 of our patterns, and then the pattern for today, which will be week 4. Today's video is going to be a little bit different because I'm not going to be showing you step by step how to do this triangle. We've done 3 weeks of these triangles. You guys should know and understand now how to read the pattern and how to do the triangle. Another big reason I'm not going to show you step by step this triangle this week is because this has 7 colors, I think A, B, C, D, E, F, G, 7 colors, and they are all green. All various colors, shades of green. So as I was doing rows 1 and 2, some of them I knew that you would not even be able to tell on the video the difference in the color of the beads. So that is one of the main reasons. But I do want to show you what the triangle is going to look like and give you instructions on how many you're going to make. So let's go ahead and get started. So first thing, you can see all of the colors of green that are used in today's triangle. This is what the triangle will look like. It's made to be almost a gradient, like splatter effect, and that is what we have. This has all of these colors of green. So these are the colors that I used in my pattern. I did exactly by what she has. Okay, so you can see your A through G. These are your DB numbers, and it tells you they used 1.2 grams for each of the triangles. And then here is another little bit that you need to know. It says the triangle pattern was designed to be painterly and randomized and follows the logic of colors ordered into a gradient. There's plenty of room in design for this for innovation and color switching, so don't worry too much about the exact bead placements. Experiment with adding, subtracting, or substituting beads for different effects. And it says they actually mixed in also a DB 1132, and it looks like they just did these primarily here right along the edge. So of course the pattern is free on my website, but I'm going to go ahead and leave this here for just a minute so you can pause it to write this down or screenshot it, whatever you want to do. But this is going to be our bead chart, and you can see there again our colors that we used and actually what it looks like per the colors that they are using. So it's very wild. This one will not go as quick as some of your other ones that we've done because each row changes. Every row is different. So that is going to be what you're going to deal with when you are working with this one. So just like with our other 3 triangles that we've done so far, you are going to make 6 of these triangles. Now, the difference is we are not going to connect these in any way. We're not going to put 15 O's around them. We are just making our triangles. So we need 6 total triangles, and then next week I'm going to show you how we are going to put all this together to make our Kaleidocycle. And I'm so excited. I cannot wait to put this together. I can't wait for you guys to see how they are put together in what Kate McKinnon calls the no fail way. So we will see how no fail it is, and I look forward to it. I can't wait to see all of these put together. So head over to offthebeadedpath beadstore.com, grab the free pattern. There's a direct link right below me, and let's see what you guys come up with this week. Y'all have a great one. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.